Where can I park my beautiful car where I won't get dinged? That one's too tight. I'll get dinged for sure. Here we go. No one will get me here.
It's an unfortunate truth. Dents and dings happen and build up over time and gradually decrease your vehicle's value. Keep your vehicle looking new and dent-free with Zurich Paintless Dent Repair. Paintless Dent Repair uses an innovative process to remove dents and dings from your vehicle's metal panels. All repairs are made by highly experienced, nationally certified technicians. Eligible on both new and pre-owned vehicles, no deductible and no out-of-pocket expenses, Paintless Dent Repair offers a lifetime repair guarantee with an unlimited number of repairs during the coverage term, and coverage is also transferable. Enjoy optimal appearance care and peace of mind. For every road trip, every parking lot, every shopping cart, trust quality protection with Zurich Paintless Dent Repair.